So this is the same. Our code's going to be running in more or less the same scope as this will. So dot unit RGB, right? Dot each function index. Debugger. Caught syntax error. You're right. Console. This. So this will now be each of the input field elements, right? So var this input element equals this. Then what? We want to apply a color picker to it. This dot color picker. Just going to leave it with the default options because I don't. Oh no. What's the event called? The event is called this one. Close event formatted. Callbacks in the same data set to an additional number of fields containing the current color in all supported color spaces. Okay, so let's just debugger that one as well. So event is called close function event comma formatted comma color picker debugger. Never done anything like that before in my life. Unexpected token. So, oh yeah, that one's not real. Make that one up. Color picker is not a function. Yeah, okay. Unexpected token. This. Yeah, fine. Whatever. Right, there we go. Look, the color picker has appeared over here. I think there's a big, huge, fucking green thing. Anyway. So now we've got an event that runs. Let's just continue this. Got an event that runs on close. Oh, does close even happen? Hang on. Close. Triggered when the pop-up is closed. Cancel. Open. Select on each change. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that either. Close. Cancel. Right. So we need. We need the options. We need it not inline, man. What's that called? Inline false. So let's see if we can run it again. So, $unit each and function each debugger. Oh. And then let's put in this thing. Right. Okay, so that should have added a color picker that's not in line. Hopefully. Be nice. Yeah! Right, and then when we click on it, what event are we getting here? Close. That's because it lost the focus because of the debugger. That is not my fault. But actually that doesn't matter because we have the element data. So you understand that what's happening is now, right, we're in the scope of what's happening. Like in this console here is in the current, this stuff is true, but it's not relevant right now. Right now we're in the scope, right, of this event that's just happened. Yeah, from the color picker closing and firing the close event, and then there's a debugger command, right? So let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got event, formatted, and color picker. So formatted should be the colors that we got, yeah? So formatted.rgb dot toString object. Right, okay. Formatted, I just want the sodding string, you nutters. Let's have a look at the formatted object. CMYK, color picker, RGB, really? RGB, 010, that is just not true. That's not how RGB is formatted at all. It should be 0255 0. And let's make that clear. What's this? Oh, FFF, no. HSV lab? What about CSS? HSVC, HSL, formatted, color picker, color, get RGB. So, formatted is an object, formatted dot color picker dot get RGB. Color formatted dot color picker dot I thought there was a get RGB method in it, apparently not. Color formatted dot clearly one RGB. What? That is just shite. Anyway, so this input element, right, which we defined earlier, dot val. Oh, we don't need to do that because it already. I wanted it RGB. Right, so I need to set that in the options as well. Check out what the val is. It's $, nothing. Oh, really? Well, that's all wrong then, isn't it? Yes, it is. Ooh. Oh, I know why that is. It's just because it's wrong. We can fix it. So then we click OK, and that's when the debug. Right, I understand what's going on.